Metaverse-First blockchain Lamina1 launches rolling fund for Web3 builders. The Layer 1 blockchain is the brainchild of Neil Stephenson, who coined the term metaverse in 1992, and Peter Vestens, co-founder of the Bitcoin Foundation. Join the most important conversation in crypto and Web3 taking place in Austin, Texas, April the 26th to the 28th. Secure your seat. Join the most important conversation in crypto and Web3 taking place in Austin, Texas, April the 26th to the 28th. Secure your seat. Lamina1, the metaverse-focused Layer 1 blockchain dreamed up by science fiction author Neil Stephenson and blockchain expert Peter Vestens, is launching the Lamina1 Ecosystem Fund, L1F, to provide Web3 builders with a capital-raising tool for their open metaverse ventures and to offer investors a chance to get in on projects at the ground level. Led by Vestens, the company said in a press release its first-of-its-kind publicly accessible ecosystem fund is designed to provide broad economic access to global accredited investors looking to support the next era of the Internet. Lamina1 is in a unique position given the incredible volume of inquiries we receive from those building the open metaverse every day, said Vestens. The team has a front-row seat to all happening in the ecosystem and essentially gets a first look at what many of the most compelling creators and storytellers of our time are doing, building, making, and producing around the world. L1F has launched on AngelList, a venture platform that allows startups to raise money from angel investors. Notably, the platform offers rolling funds, which allow interested investors to fund projects through quarterly subscriptions. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.